Welcome back, nail queens. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your gel nail brushes. So whether you're using nail art brushes or using a brush to apply gel polish, you're going to want to know how to properly clean them. First things first is I'm taking a paper towel and some rubbing alcohol. This is 70% isopropyl alcohol from the Dollar Tree, and cleaning off my palette. I also use lint-free wipes in lieu of paper towels, and you're going to see me do that here. I'm using this lint-free wipe and removing the bulk excess gel polish from my gel brush. And I just gently remove any excess that's on there, but I'm not done. That's not the end of cleaning them because there's still gel in the bristles. So I'm going to use a gel base coat and put a little bit of it here on my nail art palette, and I'm going to rub my bristles of my brush through that gel base coat. So you're going to see how much gel color is still coming out of the brush. So I repeat this step 2 or 3 times until there's no more gel coming out of my bristles. So here on the second time, there's still gel color coming out of these bristles. So I'm going to wipe it one more time on the paper towel and then run it through gel base one final time until it runs clear and there's no more gel coming out. And then I wipe off any excess and then I'm done. But that's not the only way to clean your brushes. Modelones creates this brush cleaning formula. It's incredible. I love it, so I want to talk about it here on today's video. So you open the bottle and it has this cute little nozzle and you just pour a little bit of liquid onto your palette, and then you take your gel brushes and you start doing the same technique as you did with gel base. This is definitely different than gel base. It's thinner, and I think it works better than gel base coat, but the job it does is the same. So it's really up to you what you want to do. So I'm going to do this multiple times. I have these nail art brushes. Some I haven't even used, and they're just ugh. So I'm going to take these very stiff brushes, and you're going to see how stiff they are here, and I'm running them through this brush cleaning formula from Modelones until the brushes fan out, because they're very stiff right now, and it's not easy doing nail art with stiff brushes that don't bend and move easily. So once they fan out, I'm like, okay, let me check it, make sure it's flexible, easy to move around, the bristles are very nice and conditioned, and then I'll move on to the next brush. So I continue using the Modelones brush cleaning formula on a lot of my brushes that need some TLC, and you just add a little bit more of that formula if you feel like a brush needs a little more extra fluid on your palette. Look at that milky white excess gel polish just coming out of the brush bristles. I wipe it on my lint-free wipe and repeat until I'm satisfied with how conditioned the bristles are. It's not necessarily that these brushes were really, really dirty like the first 2 I showed you. It's just that these, they're not conditioned. They're something like, they're not my favorite brushes, but I do use them from time to time. But you can see here, they're not conditioned. They don't bend easily. It's kind of like if you hadn't washed your hair for 2 weeks. Not that I've done that. I'm just saying it just does not move easily. It's not soft. It's not beautiful. And I need soft brushes in order to do my nail art. So I just keep doing this until those bristles fan out like I showed you before, and then I'm good to go. Alright, so now I'm just taking my brush and the liquid that was on it and just making sure that it runs in a straight line and performs as it should be, and it is. I'm very, very satisfied with how the cleaning is going. I just did this little test right here to make sure it's not stiff, and I wipe it off. But yeah, I'm very, very satisfied with the Modelones brush cleaner. As you can see, this brush right here is very, very stiff. And then I just run it through there for like 5-10 seconds and it softens up those bristles. Like, who wants stiff, crunchy hair? Nobody. And that's how I think about my nail art brushes, is I want them to be soft and I want them to be conditioned like my hair. But that is it for today, nail queens. I just wanted to let you guys know how I like to clean my nail art brushes so that they're prime, pristine, and perfect working condition for the next time I want to use them. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If there's any other tips, tricks, and tutorials you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely add them to my list. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!